Check out our newest feature release. We now have specific payment links for purchasing products. Sell online without a website by creating a secure payment page in just a few clicks. Why it matters and how this is going to help you in your business. Now you can quickly generate payment links for your products or even your services. Customers can now securely save payment details for faster checkouts, and you can customize payment buttons, track transactions, and easily activate or deactivate payment links. Let's go ahead and create our first new payment link. Go ahead into Payments in the left-hand navigation, and then you're going to see the new Payments link option in the upper navigation. From there, go ahead and click on plus Create New Payment Link. Now you're going to go ahead and select the product. Now we have a physical product in here, but I can tell you today, I just created one of these for a service. So don't get caught up on this being a product. Really, this is about anything that you sell. So select that product, select the price, select any options that you might have. Decide if you're going to add any branding in that, if you're going to remove it, and click Save. Now we're going to go ahead and customize that button type. So you have the option to choose Pay, Book, or Donate. So as you can see, Book would be perfect for booking an appointment, going ahead and paying for that appointment, as well as Donate. Well, heck, who doesn't want somebody to donate some money to them, right? So go ahead and select the button that makes the most sense for you. Now, we have created a payment link preview. So fill out any of the requested fields and pay. That's what your people are going to do. Now, of course, once they pay, they're going to get a confirmation window. And then what's nice is on your side, in those payment links, you're actually going to be able to see any payment link you've sent out. You can edit that link, or you can even deactivate it if maybe they've taken too long and you're just not going to make that offer anymore. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.